looking backwards and maintain there. Open the chest. Try to rotate the shoulders backwards and maintain there. Hold. Keep twisting the body. Try to looking back the shoulders. Feel the beautiful stretch. Then opposite here. Pull backwards. Rotate the shoulders back. Inhale and exhale. Now breathe in. Come back to center. Breathe out. Keep twisting the body upward. Try to rotate the shoulders back and maintain it. Looking back to the shoulders. Inhale. Come back to the center. Exhale. Change. Keep just switching the side. Go to the other side. Keep twisting the body. Open the shoulders back. Inhale. Center. Exhale. Change. Keep twisting the body upward. Try to rotate the shoulders back. Feel the beautiful stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, right and maintain there. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale, change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0. Stop the practice and relax it. Now take your hands all the way up, touch the biceps close to the ear, exhale, bend the body forward. Keep stretching the body forward, try to touch your head close to the nose. Start extending the body down. Feel the beautiful stretch. The deep stretch to the lower back towards the upper back. Start stretching the hands forward and maintain them. Breathe in and breathe out. Maintain that hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, raise your hands all the way up. Keep opening the shoulders up, touch the biceps close to the ear. Exhale, go down. Lower the head down. Keep touching the head down. Start stretching the body forward. Touching the head lower and maintain that. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back. Stretch the hands out. Exhale, stop the practice and relax. Now from here, try to keep you both the feet inside. Start pushing the body forward. Let's come back to the Malasanas. Okay? Keep opening the hips wider. Try to just open the hips. Keep pushing the body in and out. See? In and out. Just open the hips like so. Breathe in and breathe out. Few times. Inhale and exhale. Then open the hips and then bring it in. 2. Stretch out and in. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now put your right hands down, open the left hands up to the ceiling. Keep opening the shoulders back. Hold and maintain. 1. Shoulders back. 2. Stretch back. 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Change. Opposite. Try to start opening the shoulders back. Do the deep stretch towards the shoulder joint. Start opening the shoulders backwards and maintain there. Hold. 1. Stretch back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your palms down. Start stacking up, bend the body forward. Keep going down. Try to lower the stretch. Try to shift your body weight forward. Place your palms back to the mat. Allow the body to be down. Feel the beautiful stretch to the hamstrings and the calf muscles. Start bouncing the back, up and down movement. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees. Try to raise your hands up. Come back towards the Malasanas. Keep looking upwards. Open the hips flexor. Allow the body sitting lower. Exhale. Put the palms down. Bend the body forward. No, bend forward. Exhale. Sit down. Go back to the Malasanas. Go down, lower the hand. Once again, come back to the Malasanas. Hold it. Stretch it. Bend the body forward. Go back. Bend the body forward. Yes. Lower the body. Stretch down, hold. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Bend the body. Once again, down. Malasanas. Keep going down. Try to sitting spot. Lower the body and maintain there. Hold. 1. That's all. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now open the hands wider. Try to stop moving the hands. Take the hands behind. Interlock the finger. Pull the hands back. Open the chest. Yes, hold. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Hold back. Start stretching the hands up. Keep looking upwards. Exhale. Bend the body forward. Stretch your hands up. Feel the beautiful stretch and the opening to the shoulder joint here. Find the beautiful openings. Stay there and maintain. Hold. Stretch the hands out. 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5. Micro bend the knee. Start bringing the head lower. Yes, more down. 1. Stay there. 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, more 10. Okay, bend the knees. Come back to Malasanas, sitting spot position. Come back to the sitting spot position. Now put the hips down. Put your hips down. Try to go back towards the sitting Bajrasana. Butterfly pose here. Start tapping the knees lower. Keep going down. Start stretching the spine up. Tap the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Allow the body to be down. Keep stretching the body down. Let us bounce the back until your head is reaching close to the feet. Keep stretching down. Lower the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. 11. More. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come back. Try to take your right leg behind. Front. Right leg front. Left leg hold it here. Left hands back. Open the shoulders up. Start lifting the body up. Keep arching the back. Let us make a shoulder rotation here. 1. 5 times. Big circle of the shoulder. 2. Stretch back. Yes, very slow. 3, 4, hip out. 5, left hands down. 6, yes. 7, hips pushing forward. Inching. Yeah. Let's 8, 9, 10. Reverse, opposite. 10. Very good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Stop the practice. Change. Go to other side. Take your right leg bent. Take the right hand behind. Inhale, push the hip forward. Start making the big circle. 1. Very good. 2. Big circle. 3. Very good. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Stop the practice. Come back here. Come back to the Vajrasana. Are you switching to the Vajrasana? Yes. Inhale, take the hands up. Try to interlock the elbows here. Try to hold the elbows. Let us start bringing the hands in and out. See? 1. Push the chest forward. 2. So not just the hands. When you go there, try to push the chest also forward here. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now switch the hands like this. Then you hold the position, then you can feel the difference. Yes. Again start. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now put your right hands behind here. See, put the right hands back. Inhale, push the knee forward, arch your back. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Try to keep pushing the hips. Inhale up. Exhale down. If you want to become more height, so you leave the block. See, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and maintain then hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now come back and relax. Switch your side. Try to go to other side. Keep the block towards the left side. See, inhale up, arch your back. Yes. Exhale down. Inhale up. 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 Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up and maintain that hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly stand up on the knees. Okay? Raise the hands up. See? Inhale, keep the feet upright. Push the body forward. Exhale. Go back to the child pose. See? Head down. Inhale up. Exhale, child pose. Inhale up. Bend the body back. Camel pose, yes. Exhale, child pose. Inhale up. Exhale, child pose. Bend maximum. Inhale up.
Too much pain.
Exhale, child pose. Inhale up. Exhale, child pose. Last one. Inhale up. Hold up and maintain it. Push the body back. Maintain it. Hold. Stand on the knees. 2. Bend back. 3. Keep pushing forward. 4. Biceps coming beside the ear. 5. Elbow straight. 6. Hip forward. 7. Elbow straight. 8. More. 9. And 10. Exhale. Child pose. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Tabletop position. Keep looking forward. Now from here try to bring the right leg between your both the palms. Use the knee pad below the knees. Raise your hands up. Keep opening the shoulders up higher. Allow the body to be low. Yes. Keep stretching the shoulders back and maintain them. Hold backwards. Open the chest. Allow the hip flexor. Leave the knee to release. Knee can release. Knee can release. Focus what the knee side. Release. Yeah, hands up. Maintain there. Open the shoulders back. Very good. Exhale, push the hips back. Don't bend forward, just center. Exhale, push the hips back. Inhale, bend the body once again front. Very good. Exhale. Once again, bend forward. Inhale. No, just this hips only. Only the hips first. Go back. Once again, come front. Go back. Exhale, front. Maintain the hold. Lean the body back. Bend the body back to the maximum. Allow the hip flexors to be open. Let us have the deep stretch towards the lower back. Hands up and maintain there. Open the shoulders. 1. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, hips back. Try to place your both the palms beside your foot. Bend the body forward. Touch your head down. Lower the head and maintain there. 1. Knee straight. Front leg straight now. Yes. Very good. Go lower. Maintain there. Head down. Very nice. Go lower. Knee straight. 2. Try to keep your back legs 90 degrees as well. Maintain there. Hold. 1. Stretch the body. 2. Hold back. 3. Keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back to the center and relax here. Change your leg. Go to the other side. Inhale. Raise the hands up. Keep opening the hip flexor. Allow the hips to be lower. Stretch the body down. Lower. Lower, lower, lower. Hold back. Inhale. Push backwards. Hold. Exhale. Come to the center. Don't bend forward first. Try to just open the hip flexor first. Once again, inhale. Push the hip forward. Yes. Exhale. Go back. Push the hips back. Inhale. Once again. Exhale. Go back. Inhale. Exhale, go back. When you go back, keep the legs fully straight. Straight. Yes. Inhale, front. Super. Down, 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 down. Yes. Go back. Very nice. Last round. Inhale, front. Hold there. Start bending the body back. Keep opening the chest. Push the body backwards and maintain there. Hold. Open the chest. Open the hip flexor. Allow the body to be low. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Bend back. 4. More back, 5, push, 6, some more, 7, yes, 8, 9, 10. Put your both the palms beside your foot. Keep going down, try to lower the head. Go for the half split, touching the head down and maintain there. 1, lower the body, breathe in, breathe out. 1, go down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now slowly come back to the center. Take the legs back. Now from here, let's go for the puppy pose. Keep your both the thighs 90 degrees. Start bringing the hands forward. Let's go back towards the puppy pose. See, knees 90 degrees without moving the knees. Arch your back. See, push the hips backwards. Try to allow the chest to reach all the way down here. Press the chest down. Chin down, chest down. Maintain the thighs 90 degrees. Breathe in and breathe out. Hold and maintain there. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, try to bring the body forward, go back to the cobra pose. See, keep opening the chest up here. Stretch the body up. Feel the beautiful extension towards the back muscles. Try to bring your both the legs close to each other. Knees off the mat. See, extend the hips up higher, lift up. Exhale down. Try to go back, bend the body back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Untuck the toes. Use the ankle so you can flexible your ankle as well. See, inhale up. Yes. Yeah. Untuck. Yes, lift up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Hold. Maintain it. 1. Straight up. Lift up. That's one. 2. Up. Knees up. 3. Hold back. 4. 5, 6, extend the body forward, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Down, tuck the toes in, go to the downwards facing dog. Push the body back. Downwards dog. Keep touching the head close to the mat. Pedal the feet. Up and down movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right leg front. Yes, look forward. Left leg front. Bring the body forward. Try to allow the hands to be low. Go down. Start bouncing the back. Up and down movement. 1, 2. Keep the knee straight. 3. Lift up the body. Yes. Down. 4, 5. Lower. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, at least now you can touch, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, down, 20. Raise the hands up, open the shoulders up, push the body back. Open the chest, rotate the shoulders back, hold back. 1, push back. 2, hold back. 3, hold back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come back, bend forward. 10. Bend down. Lower the head. Press the head down. Extend the body. Lower. Hold. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep opening the chest. Start extending the body down. Breathe in and breathe out. Focus on your breathing. Allow the extension to the lower back. Very good. Lift your both the feet up. Place your palms below the feet. Yes, like this. See, stretch the body forward. Try to keep the knee straight there. Looking forward. Try not to touch. Try to keep looking forward. Extend the body front here. Yes. Look front and maintain there. Hold. 1. Stay there. 2. 3, 4, this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to the center. Very good. Now from here, try to take your both the hands up. Open the shoulders back. Keep opening the shoulders back. Bend the body backwards. Go to the maximum opening to your back. Open the shoulders. Very good. Keep pushing forward. Hold back. 1. Allow it. 2. Stretch back. 3. Hold backwards. 4. More back. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Bend the body forward. Try to go down. Touch your head close to the knees. Extend the body deeper. Little bit more. Keep the feet close to each other. Allow the body to be lower. Hold. Inhale and exhale. Down, 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 down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take the right leg behind. Keep your both the hands inside. Let's start bouncing the hips. See, both hands inside. Yes. Lift the hips up and down movement. Okay, make it fast and dynamic. 1. Yes. 2. Hips high and low. 3. Fast, fast. 4, 5, 6. Look up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Bounce, bounce. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now from here, keep the knees down. Right knees down. Raise your hands up. Keep opening the shoulders up. Try to start bringing the hands all the way up. Open the hip flex. Yes. Allow the body. Now from here, open your both the hands towards the left side. Left side, left side. Keep twisting the body back. Hip down, hip down. Yes, hold back. More. Maintain that. 2, 3. Hold back. 4. Balance. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right hands down, left hands over the shoulder. Yes. Maintain. Hold. 2. Yes. Tuck your right toes in, knees off the mat. Start bouncing the hips one more time. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, get your knees up, 7, 8, more, 9, and 10. Keep both the elbows down. Elbows coming on the ground. Both elbows down. Yes, lizard pose. Keep looking forward. Fix your gaze. Lizard, lizard. Yes, Ramji looks like want to lizard. No, no.
Knees up, right? Knees up.
No, no, no. Just knees forward. Okay. And try to keep down here first. Okay. Once you are comfortable, then you will bring the knees up. Okay. Hold. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Listen. 4, 5. Yes, super. 6, 7. Knees up. Okay. 8, 9. Knees up. 10. Okay. Legs behind. Go back to the plank. Keep looking forward. Chaturanga. Allow the body to be lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Push the body back. Ups. Hold back. Open the shoulders back. Hip pushing down. Keep the knees off the mat and tuck the toes. Hips up. Yes. 2. Should be like this. 3. Hold back. 4, 5. Now push the hips back. See? Go back. And just maintain here. Hold. Untuck the toes. Start maintaining here. Hold back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kelly. Not like this. Carol. Like this. See? Up. Hips up. Hips up. Ramji. Like this. Legs forward, deep. Don't listen me. Right leg forward. Hold back. Very good. Keep looking forward. Now from here, put your both the palms inside. Tuck the toes in. Knees off the mat. Start bouncing the hips. Up and down movement. 1. Very good. 2, 3. Hold back. 4, 5, 6. Right leg. Right leg. Just lift the legs up. 4, yes. 5, good. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, repeat the dynamic, 18, 19, 20. Now keep the knees down, raise the hands up, open the hip flexor. Allow the body to be lower, keep looking upwards, allow the hips to be going down. Stretch up more, little bit more, deep stretch towards the hips joint here. Start pushing down, lower the body. Very good. Now inhale, put your palms down. Tuck the toes in, keep the knees off the mat. Open the shoulders up. Try to go further, twist here and start moving the hips once again, up down movement. 1, very good. 2, really easy. 3, 4, 5, is it? 6, right? 7, 8, after this class will be better. 9, yes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Come back. Very good. Angry, what did you say? Oh. Yes. No? Keep the elbows down here. See, go for the lizard here. Keep going down. Lower the body. Okay? And once you fix it, then keep the knees off the mat. Then you start moving. Yes. Knees up. Yes. Go higher. Start bouncing the hips. Up and down movement. Yes. 2. Very good. Smart. 3. Hold it. 4. 5. Can you move the hips? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is a body opening class, right? 9, 10. Come back and relax here. Okay, take the legs behind. Go back to the plank, Chaturanga. Okay, inhale, upward facing dog. Once again, try to lift the body up, untuck the toes here. Hold and maintain. Try to put your both the hands in the center a little bit. Try to maintain and hold here. 1, stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lift the hips up here. Hips up, see, walk the hips forward, a little bit more. See, walk front. Walk front. Sometimes walk front. Okay? Now knees down and knees up. 1, 2, 5. No, your legs must be closer. Then we have to proper stretch. Yeah. See, if you have close here, then see. 1, yeah. 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, very good. 8, 9, 10. Okay, down here. Try to bring the right leg front. Okay? Go back. Take the left leg a little bit behind, not too much, okay? And try to stand on the knees. Raise the hands up, start bending the body back. Go for the deep stretch to the back muscles here. Yeah, this will allow you to bend easily. Yeah. 2, bend back. 3, maximum. 4, 5, push back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, push back. 15, 16, 20. Okay, now down. Sit down. Okay, and go to the pigeon pose. Allow the head to be down. Pigeon. Yeah. Legs behind. Pigeon pose. Pigeon. Yes. Hold back. 1. Very good. Bring the body forward. 2. Down. 3. Get down. 4. 5. Get down. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now come back and relax. Put the legs back. Go back to the plank. Okay, once again Chaturanga. Allow the body to be low. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep opening the chest up. Rotate the shoulders back. Exhale, downwards facing dog without touching the toes. No, untouch the toes. Untouch the toes. Use the ankle. Yes. Yeah, knees up. Hold up. Stop pushing the hips back. Yes. Okay, now walk the legs forward. One, slowly walk the legs front. Not hands, legs forward. One, yes, very slow. Two. See from here, like this, down, then walk. One. Yeah, untouch the toes. Yes, sir.
What do you do? Teach me.
Come here, like this. Untouch the toes. Then like this here. Then up and down. One.
Yes.
Try. Very good. Kelly, come here. Two. Jimmy, come. Three. Move fast. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Now left leg forward. Left leg forward.
Sir, how am I doing?
Very good. Perfect. Yes. Better than you are, you know. Good job. Left leg forward. Really good job. Yeah, keep down. Okay, try to keep the right leg a little bit front here. Lift the hips up. Yes. Raise the hands up. Start bending the body back. Hold back. Very good. 2. You bring the leg forward. 3. Good. 4. Knees up. 5. Bend the body back. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Bend 11. Very good. 12. 13. 14. And 15. Very good. Sit lower. Bend the body forward. Touch the head down. Go to the pigeon. Head down. Recline the body forward. Hold and maintain there. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back to center. Now from here, take the legs behind. Go back to the plank. Looking forward. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downwards facing dog. Push the hips backwards. Yes. Pedal the feet. Up and down movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg front, left leg front, bend the body forward, bounce the back, up and down movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come back and relax. Raise the hands up. Bend the body back. Push back, push back, push back, push back. Very good. Come back and relax. Now face everyone towards the right side. See, on the mat. Use the whole mat. Yes, like this. Open the legs widely. Now from here, try to raise the hands up. Just like this. Okay, whichever the side. Okay. Hands out. Yes. Now from here, try to exhale, twist your body towards the right side and catch your right ankle. With the left hand, start twisting your body to the maximum. Go to the maximum twist. With a deep stretch. Hold and maintain. 1. Twist the body. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Inhale center, exhale switch your side. Go to the other side. Open the shoulders back. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Hold. 1. Twist the body fully. 2. See the shoulders up. 3. Hold back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to the standing position. See, once you stand up, take your right hands behind here. See, catch your left thighs here. And then again start twisting the body towards the right side. Keep opening the shoulders back. Yes. Now to the right side. Correct. Just hold it this one. Opposite side. 1. Stay straight. 2. Very good. 3. Yes. Catch your thighs. 4, 5, 6. Shoulders up. 7, 8. Let's hold. And then let's move. 2. Push back. 3. Hold back. 4. Use the legs here. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Relax. Change. Go to the other side. Opposite. Hold back. Yes, hands back first. Twist the body. Good. Hold and maintain. Open the shoulders. Hold. 2. Stay there. 3. 4. Twist. Exhale. 7. Twist. Jimmy pose. 8. 10. Okay, come back. Bend the body forward. Okay, bend the body forward. Let's go for the sitting spot. Right side. Sit to the right side. Yes.
Monsters. Yeah, monsters.
No. Go. Hands down. Okay. What you do? Give him the one block below the heels. Really? Put the block below the heels. Not sitting on the block. Only heels below the heels, not hips. Yeah. It's very easy to move because you sit down and difficult to move. Yes. Inhale center. Exhale. Go to other side. Very good. Inhale center. You know how you possible anything. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See how smart he is? Inhale. Look at this. Inhale. Exhale. So no need to tire the body. Listen. Like this. Stand and sit like this. 1, 2. Okay, don't change the legs. 3. Yes. See, that's challenging, right? Lift up, stand the body up. Change. Go to other side.
No, thank you.
Come back, stand up and relax. Go the other one. both. Down, down,